One of the first steps to implementing a Microsoft 365 infrastructure is taking your current infrastructure, your current data, your current users, your current services, and moving them over to Microsoft 365. Now there are many ways of doing that. Of course, any organization can purchase the subscriptions, the licenses in Microsoft's 365 and then move all of their data and services themselves, all of the email, all of the files, all of the authentication services, and that can be done gradually or in a single swoop. However, you can also get the help of Microsoft partners. There's many partners out there that provide these consulting services to help you migrate to Microsoft 365. Additionally, there are also tools, migration tools that you can readily find on the internet to help you migrate your data over to Microsoft 365. There's an entire ecosystem of solutions and software that is available out on the internet. However, if you decide to go and get the help from Microsoft to migrate to Microsoft 365, there's a program called FastTrack. So FastTrack is a service that provides both guidance and actual consulting services to migrate your actual data over to Microsoft 365 and all of the services around it. So all of the authentication and users and so on. If you have an infrastructure that has less than 500 users, so you are below the 500 license threshold, what FastTrack will provide is simply guidance. So you will get guidance, access to documentation, access to videos and training white papers and step-by-step guides on how to migrate specific elements of your data using FastTrack migration tools quickly. And you will be able to complete all elements through the various tools available through FastTrack. However, if your organization is greater than 500 licenses, so you have at least 500 users or you've purchased 500 licenses or more, the FastTrack services will also include data migration services. And that essentially means that there will be consultants at Microsoft available to help you to actually perform the migration steps. So if you believe that this is a viable service for you, for your organization, something that you want to use, you can verify your eligibility. So all the various sites that I'm showing you now are available from the FastTrack page. And depending on the plan that you've purchased, you need to ensure that your plan is supported. Now the lowest supported plan is Microsoft 365 E3 or Business Basic. So these plans are relatively low price plans for Microsoft 365, which means that most organizations are really eligible for this FastTrack solution. Once you've defined that your organization wants to use FastTrack and your organization is compliant and eligible based on the minimum requirements of Microsoft, and there are others beyond simply licensing, then you can go on to the FastTrack site, sign into the FastTrack site, and you'll be able to go and access all of the FastTrack resources, which again would be able to either guide you or actual consultants that would help you through the process. You'll also find that FastTrack can help you with every single ancillary service of Microsoft Cloud offerings beyond Microsoft 365, such as Azure and of course Dynamics 365.